direct carry on from last time. If you haven't seen how to not use your Henry Hoover part 1, then go watch that one first. It'll make a lot more sense. Anyway, filter's still dirty. Bucket's obviously filthy. We'll tip it back again. And let's just say you're not looking, and let's just leave that like that, okay? Right, put the filter back in. Put the top back on. Oh, cable doesn't reach. Okay, we're gonna have to be here then doing it. I should just put it on backwards to annoy people. Let's put it on wonky, not even backwards. Let's just put it on wonky. Back to it. Okay, so this is chest of suction. Okay, so it's still hot. Now let's put that back. I don't really want to use the hose then because this is my normal hose. So let's just align the pole. Another thing you shouldn't do is leave it running for long periods of time when you're not actually using it. Oh, I believe this is clogged. Back to it. And we just want to fill up the bag now, so let's just move up all of this. You just want the bag full. Right, we've reached limit again, and it's obviously even more heavier than last time. Also, don't drop your pneumatics. You can, well, I guess, I don't recommend that, I shouldn't say you can, but you know, they're obviously doable. So, just, let's drop it. Okay, I've also got a new handle, so don't worry if this gets broken during the process, that's fine, I've already got a new one. It's the same, I would say. God. Sorry, guys. I swear I just, sat on a thorn or something. I do not want to get stung by a bee. There's a bee. Where's the bee? Where's the camera? There he is. Anyway, so we're going to go again until it's full. I'd still, because I would still say it's got a little bit left in it. So, back on. Back on. Yep, still got loads left. Oh. Our hose end has come on. cameras and saying it actually looks cleaner than it was before. You know, to get some agitation, let's put the brush up. Now we're going to start getting it really clean. Let's put it down. It's not. And what if we tip it back while it's on? Well. We've actually lost connection. Another thing, that's why you shouldn't yank your wires. It's probably just come out of the socket, so there's nothing too bad to worry, nothing too major to worry about. Yeah. Off he goes again. We're almost at full, I'd say. Just to remind you, this is how you do not use your pneumatic. Unless you have them broken, and I'm getting a new motor for this, and if you watch part 1, you'll know all of this. I would say that's full. Actually, that has gotten worse now. Don't know if you can see that on camera, but dust is coming off. Let's have a look at our bag. Now that is rock solid. Look, watch this. I don't know if you can see. When I pat the bag, a lot of dust comes off it, and it's just not good. But now we're going to do something very interesting. Let's just take this bag out. Oh, it's not coming out. The bag's not coming out. What do I do? Oh dear. Wow, look at that. That bag is bricked. So what we're going to do is this. Do not try this at home in the... Don't be fooled about how much that picks up. A HEPA flow can actually pick up more than that. Yeah, it's a big cloud of dust.